Imagine a world where robots tattoo your skin, cockroaches save lives, and ice cream comes in jet black hues. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. This week's roundup of design and innovation stories brings you all that and more. From cutting-edge technology to thought-provoking experiments, these highlights will make you rethink what's possible. But here's the twist. Not everyone agrees on whether these advancements are as groundbreaking as they seem. Let's dive into the details and see what sparked the most debate. First up, let's talk about convenience meeting creativity. Simone Giertz, known for her quirky inventions, has designed a cap with built-in storage called the patch cap. It's perfect for carrying small essentials while keeping your hands free. Whether you're biking, hiking, or just running errands, this clever accessory could change how we think about wearable storage. Could this be the start of an entirely new trend in functional fashion? Now, on to something even more daring, tattoos applied by robots. Blackdot has introduced a robotic tattoo machine that claims to outperform human artists in both comfort and precision. While some tattoo enthusiasts might argue that machines lack the artistry and personal touch of a skilled human, others are excited by the potential for consistency and reduced pain. Where do you stand on this? Would you trust a robot with your next ink? Switching gears to space exploration. Astronauts are set to return to the moon wearing gold-plated Oakley sunglasses. These aren't just stylish, they're designed to protect against harsh lunar conditions. This blend of fashion and function raises questions about how far aesthetics can go in advancing practical solutions. Do you think designers should prioritize style when creating gear for such high-stakes environments? For outdoor enthusiasts, Wilhelm Berbig's Hideaway shovel is a game-changer. This ingeniously designed tool allows hikers to bury waste discreetly, helping preserve nature's beauty. It's a shining example of industrial design students making meaningful contributions to sustainability efforts. And speaking of innovative transportation, the Swincar, a spider-like vehicle created by a French architect, is now in production. Its unique design promises unparalleled off-road performance. Could this be the future of adventure vehicles? On the health front, researchers are exploring unconventional ways to tackle sleep apnea. Instead of relying on bulky CPAP machines, they're testing conch shell-inspired designs to improve airflow during sleep. This approach highlights the power of biomimicry in solving modern problems. What other natural forms could inspire medical breakthroughs? Meanwhile, a piece of 1970s nostalgia is making waves today. Pierre Paulin's Dune Ensemble sofa, once unrealized, is finally in production and gaining celebrity fans. Similarly, retro-futuristic forged automotive rims by Concept Car Studio remind us how past visions of the future continue to influence contemporary design. How does nostalgia shape our perception of innovation? In Texas, affordable housing takes a futuristic turn with Icon's 3D printed homes. These structures aim to balance cost efficiency with durability, addressing one of society's biggest challenges. However, debates around scalability and material quality persist. Are 3D printed homes truly the answer to global housing shortages? Noise-canceling technology also gets a cozy upgrade with the Blissful Serenade, a pillow designed to block out unwanted sounds. Perfect for travelers or light sleepers. It combines comfort with functionality. And if you've ever wondered how color affects taste, consider C.J. Hendry's pop-up featuring jet black ice cream. The striking visual challenges our expectations of flavor, proving that presentation matters almost as much as ingredients. Finally, let's not forget the little things that make life easier. Craig Hill has reimagined the humble key ring, improving its usability through thoughtful design. Their explanation of the process underscores the importance of refining everyday objects. On a larger scale, Monish Siraparapu's coolant system mimics anthills to create passive cooling solutions. showcasing how nature inspires sustainable engineering. So, which story intrigued you the most? Would you try a robotic tattoo or invest in a 3D printed home? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take on these fascinating developments.